In this video, I will share with you how to use Tesco gift card online. So friends, if you want to use Tesco gift card online, follow me on this video guide. So guys, in this order online shopping, you can use Tesco by following the simple steps. You can use online shopping, add items, and process checkout. You can select and set up your payment option for gift card. So guys, you can use a gift card as a payment. Just enter your numbers and PI and funds, and you can use on store shopping and check balance. All you have to do, guys, you should be purchase a Tesco gift card. For example, this one, you should choose the amount of Tesco gift card you want to buy. For example, £10 or 20. Write your email address, and then you will get a Tesco details, such PIN codes, and you can start using. Also, you can start using on Tesco the official Tesco website as a payment. You can use to purchase a Google Play gift cards, and you can use, as I say, for shopping store gift cards as a checkout. And then guys, if I scroll down on Google, you can use for different websites like this one, Great Buyers. This website you can use to purchase item, for example, fashion and sport. You have a different item. If you want to purchase item through this website, you can use a Tesco as a payment method, gift card as a payment method. Just enter your PINs and codes to complete your proceed checkout. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more content, and see another video soon, and keep watching.